Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Tish. I'm a creative working mom of 2, and here on my channel you'll find me sharing the things that I love that involve DIY, creative living, lifestyle, tips and tricks and things, vlogs, and productivity tools. I love to use my creativity to have attainable luxury, if you will, and those are just some of the things that I will share here on my channel. Well, I am a working mom, but because of the times that we are currently living in, I work sometime from home and then I go into the office. Well, I was getting ready to set my desk up so that I could start working, and you know, this, although we've been doing this for about a year, soon to be a year, I found that it's, you know, kind of hard working from home when you have other things at home to distract you. And I'm just going to speak for myself, like laundry. You know, you can have the TV going on, the dishes in the sink may catch your attention, and then before you know it, you are away from your work. Or, you know, people thinking that you're working from home and not just at home on vacation. So I wanted to just share what works for me, and hopefully there will be a takeaway for you if you find yourself working in the same situation. Now, I will say that I have a home office to work out of, but these things can, you know, you can work at your kitchen table, or if you have a very small desk in the corner of your bedroom. I think that some of these tools and things that I use at home in my home office can work absolutely anywhere. And actually, I just adapted what I do in my office here at home. So just take a look and leave me a comment below and let me know if you have something that helps you get going at your desk at home that I possibly could utilize. All right, let's get into the video. Okay, I am sharing with you a realistic realistic view of what it looks like when I get ready to start my work day, my corporate work day here at home. This is my desk. So I guess I can start over here with my computer. This is my personal computer, and I use it sometimes. I don't. I just have this wireless keyboard that I'll tuck up in there. I hardly ever use this during the day because I am using my work computer for majority of what I need to get done during the day. And right here, this is this is out of place. But what I've done, and you'll see some things, all of this is really out of place because I take these things out of my work bag that I typically take to work. And this is my medicine bag. It's it sounds like it's full. Well, it's actually full, but it has vitamins and it has some medicines that I need to take through, you know, during the day. And over here is my hard drive for this computer, but again, I don't use it. Now, I do not have a lamp on my desk because the outlets are so out of place. So I have this desk ring light that I use along with, I'll put my phone right up here just to have, we have a lot of Zoom style calls, or I'll say video calls, so that I'm not just laying my phone anywhere. I will use the mount for my phone for the video calls, and for additional lighting depending on what the weather is like, I'll turn this light on. So those are some essentials that are already on my desk. And let me talk about my desk. My desk is an old desk that was salvaged from a bank, and I just added, I just painted it, and then the top, of course, you know, the old wooden. And I use this desk for definitely work, but also for crafting. So because I know that I was going to use glues and everything. I wanted a glass top, but I just didn't want it to be, you know, a black or a white background. So as you can see, I added glitter. I glued the glitter down onto the wood, and then I had this big piece of glass cut for the desk, and I absolutely love it. It does get a little sticky from using adhesives and things, but it's a very easy cleanup. I love it. I keep my TV remote right up here close to me. Of course, I can tune into the news, or I can play music. I really like to play music in the background while I'm here working, of course, or I could use my computer. But, you know, if I just need some background noise, I have my remote right here. I don't, on a regular work day, I do not keep my pens, you know, displayed like this, but it gives me something different to look at. So I just use this little glass container to house my Tumbo markers and the pens that I go to on a regular basis. I do pull out my personal laptop. Isn't that weird? I have the big desktop, but I just prefer to use my personal laptop when I'm wanting to check personal emails, or, you know, if I have downtime from work, I can do some personal things on my laptop. I keep my external hard drive out, open and ready. And my planners, journals, and notebooks, I keep those all ready. Just, you know, when I want to, or if I have an idea or something, I can easily access it. And all of the bags and pouches that I keep in my work bag, I take out so that I can just easily have readily available with, you know, my planner stickers and planner essentials in there. My pen pouch that has my correction tape, extra pens, pencils, you know, things like that. I keep that out. This is my tech bag, so extra camera batteries, flash drives, charger cords are all housed here, and I just keep them here instead of just taking everything out, because I am going to eventually go back to the office throughout the week. So I just try to keep everything in their location so I can just bag it back up and go out. Of course, my bestie, my planner, she stays with me, and I just keep my hole punch just in case I want to you know, add something to my planner. And my idea journal, the lighting was bad. My idea journal, I jot down affirmations, or I may need to look at affirmations throughout the day. I just keep this on standby. I just have this pouch. It got really dark. I keep my Louis Vuitton pouch here, of course, because it has, you know, my debit cards. There were other small things that I like to have access to. And of course, with all of these computers near me, I need my debit card because there's going to be some online shopping at some point. I always keep a book with me that I can read during lunch, or any downtime that I may have, or if I just need to take it on the go while I'm waiting on my kids to get out of school. And then I have this catch-all notebook. So usually when I am on my calls for work, I'll have this readily available so that I can jot down any notes and action things in there. I do eat at my desk, but I don't keep the snacks at my desk so that I'm not just bound to it. But I do keep beverages here. What am I drinking today? It's a sparkling water, black cherry, and I think my husband just grabbed these from Sam's. So I usually, you know, keep something like this at my desk. My water jug. Absolutely love this because my water, I'm sorry about the lighting. My water stays cold, the ice stays in it, and then when I need to refill my water cup, I have that right there with me. So I do keep my beverages at my desk, But I do like to get up and go to the kitchen to grab a snack, just to give me something to do. And inside my desk drawers, I have like lotions and lip glosses and things like that. And y'all, I think that's... So my camera died. Good thing I had my take bag here. So I need to give that a charge. So it's good to have my take bag here. I need to give that a charge. And I have surge protectors here. And another thing that I love, and I bought at the start of the pandemic, was this cushion. I was having the worst back and hip pain, and this came in handy. I believe I saw someone on Instagram talking about their Amazon favorites, and this was so appropriate. Ever since I've purchased this cushion, it has really helped with me sitting here for hours throughout the day. If I have a link, I will link it below. Now, I stated that I have lotions and things in my desk that are very easily accessible, but I like to get up as much as I can. So in this decanter, I keep room spray. That's like a pick-me-up, so I won't want to go and lay down. Here's some... I'm gonna mess this name up. I can't even get that to focus. There it is. Jasmine and Lang Lang. Would that be Lang Lang spray? Aromatherapy. It smells really good. I will spray that throughout the day just to give me something else to smell. And then I have some lotion that I keep in here. And I just thought it was nice to be kept in this decanter. So I will actually get up and come over to, you know, get the smell goods happening, just so that I won't sit there and want to fall asleep. This has nothing to do with work. I just display my nail polishes in here because I also do my nails in my office when I am ready. And across from my desk, I get to see my vision board. It is directly across from my desk. I do have a candle burning. It's not on my desk because when I get to working, papers are everywhere. So across from my desk on the stand where my TV is, I will burn a candle. And right next to me is where I keep my large work bag with some extra essentials, and then my work backpack is right there. So I try to keep everything together and not scattered, because when it's time for me to go to work, I can just throw everything back in the bags and I'm ready to go.